Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do like a quickly gotta get ready in like 5 minutes sort of makeup tutorial, which I've never even done this before. I'm kind of winging it. So I'm taking a pressed powder. There's nothing on my face. My face is okay today, so I'm not really gonna worry about it. And I just put moisturizer on it other than that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of pressed powder all over my lid and kind of up on the brow area because I get a lot of mascara up there and it drives me insane. So this is just gonna help absorb some of that oil that happens to get up there and everything. And I'm probably gonna shave my unibrow also because I just noticed that, so that's disgusting. Anyway, okay, after that I'm gonna go in with the lip balm. This is the Mario Badescu one. I'm literally almost out of it, so I'm trying to get a little bit of it out there. There we go. And then do that because we want to let that pressed powder set for just a minute, you know. Okay, while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and curl the lashes. I think I got this one from like Claire's or something. Oh my goodness, I'm shaking so much because I'm so late and I'm like freaking out. But anyway, I just kind of pump it like up like that a little bit and just kind of squeeze, if that makes sense. And that helps a lot, I think. It's so hot. I was like running around earlier and yeah, it's been a morning. Anyway, whew, okay, now I'm seeing spots. All right, now I'm gonna take my telescopic L'Oreal waterproof mascara and go in on each eye. I don't want to go crazy because, you know, I'm not wearing anything else, so it's not like I need to be like, oh my word, look at my eyelashes. You know what I mean? Like if I have eyeshadow on, especially darker eyeshadow, I'm like caking the mascara on because otherwise you can't really see it, you know. By the way, this is one of my like favorite ones for just like a bare makeup look because it's not super crazy. It just kind of makes them lengthy and dark and stuff. This thing is kind of curved, so I'm trying to make sure I get the right side to use, and then I just sort of go on the other side as well. Just kind of get it all. Why is it that women always make that face when we put mascara on? We're like, just makes me crack up. I feel like this side needs a smidge more, so I'm just gonna try to make them even, but you know, that never happens. Hey, we're doing pretty good. We're only at 2 minutes, well, 3 minutes. So I swear this is like the fastest makeup look I've ever done. Normally I would say add blush also, but I'm not brave enough to do that today, so I'm not gonna do that. And then while that kind of sets for a moment, I'm gonna put on some lip gloss. This is the Rem Beauty Cherry Cola lip gloss. My favorite lip gloss of all time. Like, yeah, she nailed it, honestly. Of course, I only wear lip gloss with lip balm on before, so that could also be why it's good to me. Because I think I have tried it without lip balm, and I was like, that's a little sticky. So, I feel like my mascara is probably not set yet, so I am going to grab my eyebrow thingy since we have a bit of time. Okay, so, just have this thingy here to just kind of get rid of that little, well, I have quite a unibrow there. Really need to go get them waxed again, but you know, I also have a tiny little pimple right there. I do have textured skin and obviously pigmentation. I'm sorry, by the way, I'm using the mirror behind you, so like, you know, can't even see me, but that's okay. So now it's probably gonna be a little red there, but that's okay. That's okay. It's part of it. Anyway, so yeah, that's that. And I'm just gonna take this little dual-ended brush here. I use this part right here for my eyebrows just to kind of comb them out, make them look kind of uniform. And then I take this other end, which is a spoolie brush, and just sort of separate the lashes a little bit, just so that way there's no clumps and everything looks pretty natural. Oh my goodness, I got it in my eye. Sometimes that happens. I get a little speck in my eye, so I have to try to be careful there. And I'd say it looks pretty good, not too bad. I know you can't really see because of the lighting, but I mean, I have scars on my face and stuff, but I don't care today, so it's okay. So thank you for watching. I hope this was a helpful video for you.